That Tirotma is really fun, you know. Not at all serious and boring.
पैसा है, उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बहुत गलत है. एक्टरों को बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है, टेक्नीशियंस को बहुत कम मिलता है कंपैरेटिव एक्टर्स. वो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत गलत है.
I mean, since you say Olivia, I would love to get into the head of Olivia Colman if I could.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
she
nice.
just climbed
Oh my
into
God.
her head.
Really?
Oh my God.
Yeah,
seriously.
because I mean, also she's someone who started acting so young.
मेरे को थोड़ा सा और सोशल होना चाहिए, जो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm zero social skill.
Hello everyone, this is your host Riya and today we have with us Tilotma and Manav with us. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much.
कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Hectic for you?
And हाँ, at all.
कोई ना, आज हम एक सेगमेंट करने वाले हैं जिसका आपका मूड फ्रेश हो जाएगा.
Fresh ही है इनका mood.
मेरा mood
ये
fresh है.
पैदाइशी fresh है.
Amazing. Well, first of all, congrats for Tribhuvan Mishra CA topper. मैं तो जब ट्रेलर देख रही थी, मोस्टली सभी CA स्टूडेंट्स जो होंगे ना, वो जब भी क्लिक करेंगे उनको लगेगा कि तो मोटिवेशनल कुछ रहेगा. जब क्लिक करेंगे तो बोलेंगे ये तो भाई तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है. सो आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि क्या है ये, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का मानना है कि कॉन्सेप्ट अलग है, टाइटल अलग है. आप मुझे बताइए क्या कहना
ये
चाहेंगे.
एक कॉमन मैन जो है, कॉमन मैन की कहानी है, जो एक ऑनेस्ट सीधा आदमी है. मतलब इट हैपन टू बी कि वो सीए है, बट वो बेसिकली अपनी फैमिली से प्यार करता है.
डॉक्टर भी हो सकता था.
डॉक्टर भी, कुछ भी हो सकता था. बट जो आइडिया है, जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, जो इसका पूरा है कि एक बहुत सीधा ईमानदार आदमी जब अपनी पूरी ईमानदारी उसकी स्टेक पे आ जाती है एंड ही हैज टू चूज बिटवीन उसकी ऑनेस्टी, उसकी फैमिली, या उसको एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है जो वो चोरी से करके इन दोनों को बचा ले. तो वो अपनी ऑनेस्टी और अपनी फैमिली को बचाना चाहता है किसी भी हद तक जाते. एंड उसमें वो कैसे फंसता है, जो कि हम सबकी कहानी है. हम लोग, हर आदमी के पास अपनी फैमिली, अपनी ऑनेस्टी, हमको बचाना है कैसे भी.
बेसिकली रिलेटेबल है.
एब्सोल्युटली. और उसमें बिकॉज ये स्टेक ऐसा है एंड पुनीत कृष्णा जिसने ये बनाए हैं, जो इनके क्रिएटर हैं शो के, उन्होंने इतनी बैको चीजें इसमें डाली हैं, तो इट बिकम सो एंटरटेनिंग. सो बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे त्रिभुवन मिश्रा सीए टॉपर है, फुल एंटरटेनमेंट.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड उसमें ऐसे ऐसे कैरेक्टर हैं कि यू विल लाफ, यू विल रिलेट एंड यू विल फील कि यार डैम यार, I'm on her side, I'm on his side, you know. So you will pick sides और वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. And no one is a villain in the series.
Exactly.
Everyone is grey, everyone is fun.
Yeah.
So वो क्या है कि वो एक अद्भुत मसाला है
Exactly.
गजब का. और इसलिए जब आपने ट्रेलर भी देखा होगा तो हल्का सा लगा होगा, oh wow.
Yes, that was my
And
reaction.
Riya, often very helpful things in life are outside syllabus only. Just as a aside.
Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, true. So true. So I want to know, I'm curious to know, what was your first initial reaction when you read the script?
Women characters in this show that have been written with such sensitivity. The women in this show have such agency, irrespective of their age, their preferences, their relationship status, their nature of the relationship. मतलब each character, Mandobua played by Yamini Das, Shobha played by Shweta, Naina Sareen plays Ashok Lata, who's married to Tribhuvan Mishra, or Bindi, the character I play, are like it's such a progressive portrayal of women and their desires without being apologetic.
Amazing.
And it was really refreshing. And as someone in my mid-40s who's often waiting and aching for a part that makes sense,
Yeah.
that actually one can relate to, you know,
true.
because often the portrayal of women is just in service of the male characters. So to have your own agency and your arc and a development, and for all of them, it's really the first thing that hit me
Exactly.
was that.
Wow.
Besides everything that he said,
Yeah.
the humor and the quality of writing.
And somehow like it can change people's perspective too.
Yes, if they're not judgmental.
Yeah.
They have to give the show, once they enter the world of the show, and if they can, I think
Yeah.
let's wait.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you? What was your first initial reaction when you first read out the script?
I was like I was behind Puneet and Ram कि प्लीज मुझे कास्ट कर लो, मेरे को एक चांस दे दो ऑडिशन का, कैसे भी करके मुझे करना है ये। और मैं अपनी 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 एजेंसी के पीछे पड़ा था कि सुनो गुरु, ये वाला शो मुझे करना है, मतलब एटलीस्ट जस्ट गिव मी अ चांस टू ऑडिशन। अगर उसके बाद मैं नहीं कर पाता हूँ देन ऑफ कोर्स, हाँ नहीं, बट मुझे एक चांस तो चाहिए, एक वन अटेम्प्ट तो वो था, क्योंकि बहुत ही रेयर होता है कि इतनी एक्साइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट, इतनी well written show आपके पास आता है।
Exactly, but see the destiny, you were the chosen one.
Thank God.
Well, एक छोटा सा rapid fire कर लेते हैं फटाफट से। Okay, a rumor about you that you would love to spread about yourself.
That Rotma is really fun, you know. Not at all serious and boring. That's a rumor I would really like.
Nice one.
मानव का sense of humor one of the best है।
That's one of the best है। Okay, nice.
ये मैं फैलाना चाहता हूँ।
Yeah.
मैं इस पे काम भी कर रहा हूँ रोज।
One thing you genuinely don't like about the industry.
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy.
I think जो मेरे को पसंद नहीं है कि जो पैसा है उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बहुत गलत है। एक्टरों को बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है, टेक्नीशियंस को बहुत कम मिलता है कंपैरेटिव एक्टर्स, वो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत गलत है।
Name one actor जिसके DMs जानने के लिए काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा। Like you can remove one gossip from anyone.
Actor?
Yeah, anyone. An actor, actress, or your close friend or whatever.
मेरे तो बड़े बोरिंग आंसर होंगे, क्योंकि आई वुड मतलब एक ओलिविया लैंग करके एक राइटर है, मेरी बड़ी फेवरेट राइटर है। आई जस्ट वांट टू लाइक रीड जो भी
her DMs.
मतलब everything, because she's one of the fantastic, no, not DMs, but I'm just saying,
Yeah, you
I
want
just
to know about
completely
her.
know about
Yeah,
her more.
okay. What about you?
I mean, since you say Olivia, I would love to get into the head of Olivia Colman if I could.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
seriously.
nice.
Climb
Oh my
into
God.
her head.
Really?
Oh my God.
Yeah,
seriously.
because I mean, also she's someone who started acting so young and totally, you know, was very much on the margins of it from Tyrannosaurus days.
Yeah.
To, I mean, who we know her as, but to have lasted that long with such vitality, and her smile still has the innocence and that, you know, vibrance, which I think is amazing.
Wow, amazing. Name one who is your inspiration.
Name?
One who is your inspiration.
I mean, there's so many people in different fields, right? Like the teachers and professors I had in college were extremely inspiring. In DU, Sambudha Sen, Uday Kumar.
Yeah.
They were inspiring professors.
Yeah, I was expecting this from you because in Kota Factory you said the same thing.
Yeah, because they were genuinely
exactly.
like, if you think like, when you think of inspiring, matlab, like, you know, you're in awe, right, about the wonder that this world is full of.
Yeah.
And that's what the professors gave us.
Exactly.
You know, sense of wonder. You know, so that I don't think that again I felt. But anyway, I've said mine. One at least. Please. This is rapid fire, है इतने लंबे answers.
I think Andrew Scott. I think उसका जो as an actor और as a theatre practitioner जो वो balance बनाता है, because I've seen his plays in London and the way वो theatre में जिस तरह से celebrate होता है in London and also gives equal and absolutely importance to theatre also and his beautiful career also as an actor.
Exactly.
मुझे लगता है कि this is the balance I want in my life, कि मैं उतना ही theatre celebrate करूं including the audience जितना मैं ये celebrate करता हूं.
Okay. Recent song you're obsessed with?
नोएडा. This is त्रिभुवन का song, अद्भुत song है. नोएडा का सुपरमैन मेरा favorite song है.
Yes, please. Here I have the same answer. Noida.
नोएडा का सुपरमैन बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay. And lastly, one thing that you want to completely change about you?
मेरे को थोड़ा सा और सोशल होना चाहिए, जो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं. I'm zero social skill. मैं बिल्कुल ही जीरो आया हूँ और I need to spend more time with my friends, which I don't. I need.
But as an actor, it's tough also.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मैं खाली रहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं फोन नहीं पिक करता हूँ.
Okay.
And I need to pick up like more phones.
Okay.
All those things.
I would like to sleep less because I think half my life I've slept because I sleep for very long. So that means whatever is my age, you can say half of it I have not lived only because I
Oh
was
my
sleeping.
लोग कहते हैं
Oh
कि
my
जिनको
God.
अच्छी नींद आती है वो सबसे सुखी लोग हैं।
सुखी
ऐसा
लोग
है?
होते हैं या
इससे अच्छी ब्लेसिंग नहीं है कोई पता
तो नहीं change करूँ?
है? अच्छी नींद we work for good sleep
या
Okay, then I think I would like to reduce fear.
fear nice
Yeah.
okay lastly one director you're currently manifesting to work with
I think I want to work with Puneet as a director. I want to see how he's going to direct. He's going to be interesting as a director.
Yeah.
okay what were you
I would love to work. What do you mean? You worked with him on
No,
Tribhuvan
but
Mishra?
you-
I'm saying full fledged, like when he's directing the entire.
yeah he is still
See,
want to continue
मतलब ऐसा है कि वो अमृत और पुनीत ने मिलकर डायरेक्ट किया है शो. I want like some किसी और की राइटिंग पुनीत डायरेक्ट करे.
okay
So he's been in the show as a director.
nice that was good one
It will be interesting.
It will.
because
Yeah.
शायद वो कुछ अलग ही
No,
way
it would be a dream to work with. I think anything Puneet is part of, I would,
Yeah,
with my
seriously.
eyes closed.
yeah but
want to
apart
be
from
part.
Puneet
Abhishek Chaubey has been on my list for a long time.
Oh my God.
And I've really enjoyed watching his films, and he's not afraid of trying different things. He was also our producer on Death in the Gun, so even supporting, a new filmmaker. Like that was Konkana's debut film as a director.
yeah
So I have a lot of regard and respect for him, and I would love to work with him. But there are many, since
Yeah.
it's one.
but touch
Yes.
wood
Yeah.
hope soon yeah thank you so much for doing this for Instant Bollywood and all the very very best for Tribhuvan Mishra CA topper and
you so
thank you
much.
so much thank you all the very best